What is good, everyone? Welcome to the channel, and today a very rare unboxing for me. In fact, it is a first for the channel. What's inside the box? Let's find out. As you can see, this box is from Adidas, or Adidas in Japan, and it is actually containing a first for me. Let's open up and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Alright, a box that many of you will recognize immediately. We've got the Yeezy 350, and it is my first pair of Yeezys. I kid you not. You see, the cat's first pair of Yeezys as well. Hey, welcome to the show. Come on in here. As you may know if you've watched the channel before, I really got back into sneakers only recently. So I basically missed the entire period of Yeezy hype. And yeah, this is the first pair I picked up because I thought they looked cool. They are a Japan or Asia area. Would you shut up? Come on, Cut. Oh, I love you too. Hey, get in the box. It's for you. Yes, yes, excellent. It's all you, baby. Go. You just want to be part of the show. Everyone, meet Felix. Felix, what do you think of my new Yeezys? My first Yeezys ever. What do you think? Well, you probably guessed it is none other than the Mono series colorway. The Asia one is, of course, the Mono Clay. In the pictures, these looked more like clay, like a brown clay color, and they are seriously orange. Like, this is an orange shoe, which, again, if you followed my channel at all, you know I really dig orange shoes. So, alright, that's cool. I'm actually really digging the color. More so than when I was looking at the pictures. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about these when they showed up, but I am not going to say no to an orange sneaker. That's just, it's fetish or kink or I don't know what you call that in fashion terms. Anyway, this shoe is actually way better in hand than I thought it would be. Now, I will admit, I've seen some YouTubers talk about the materials on it, and yeah, I don't know, I'm not getting really strong vibes that this upper is really premium materials of any sort. This back part, the pull tab, is kind of, I don't know, like echo bag, like your shopping bag that you buy for when you go to the supermarket. It's kind of have that cheap echo bag handle tie thing vibe going on. But I mean, of course, we all know that Boost is Boost, and I'm familiar with Boost from all my Ultra Boost running shoes, etc. So I have no doubt these are going to be wicked comfortable. It's going to be my first translucent or transparent shoe where you're going to be able to see the socks inside the shoe. I haven't done anything like that before. And these are definitely for the toe. I'm not going to be reselling these. I know that resale actually exists in North America. They retail in America for $220, I believe, and they're sitting on StockX for around $300. Mono Ice is $300. I think these are like $290. Yeah, $290. They're not as high as the Mono Ice are. But Japan is a different animal when it comes to Yeezys. I mean, Yeezy resale hasn't really been a thing anywhere for a while, but in Japan it's even worse for a couple of reasons. The first reason is they retail for 30,000 yen, which in sort of like livable, like lifestyle terms, that's roughly equivalent to $300. The actual exchange puts it at more like $270 to $280, but that's still $50–60 more expensive than the retail price in America. So what that means is that even if I took these brand new back to the States and sold them at the $280, $290 price point, I'd basically just be breaking even. I'd just be getting my money back. In Japan, the resale is absolutely abysmal. I think the current sales price is about $220. 22,000 yen. So yeah, I would be immediately losing $80 on the bargain if I was to resell these. But now, how did I actually get these shoes? These are straight from Adidas. I got them by putting my name into the raffle on the Adidas app here in Japan. So I did pay retail, which looks like I should have waited and paid resale on them, because I could have saved $80 by buying them on the resale market, because there are people selling them. I don't know, I guess people thought that they might be able to get a resale price for them here, and now they're just trying to unload pairs. But I mean, it's not like I was smart or dumb. I didn't know what to expect on this. I didn't know what the resale value would be on these, and I had no idea that I was going to be able to get them for much cheaper than actual retail. So I don't really have any right to complain about that. In fact, I'm, as I mentioned, pretty stoked at the shoe itself. They are better looking than I expected them to be. I'm still not exactly sure how to style them, because I have not had a pair of Yeezys on my feet before. So I might do a future video with some on-foot ideas, and you can tell me if I'm doing it right or if I'm doing it terribly wrong. But I definitely know how to rock an orange sneaker, so I'm not so worried about that part of it. Let me know what you think. How do you feel about this colorway versus the colorway where you are? If you're in Asia, this is what you've got, but if you're in, think like the Middle East and Europe, you've got the Mono Mist, and that actually is probably the more brown color. Although I guess I can't really trust that, because I feel like this color in hand is so different than what the pictures look like. And the Mono Mist in North America, I gather that's the most popular for a lot of people, but I don't think that I would have been able to pull off that mist, like crystal blue color that they had going on. So in terms of something that I would actually wear, this is probably it. Cool shoe. I'm actually stoked to have sort of finally gotten in on what Yeezys are all about, and this was a good pair to get, because not only is it new to me, but it is a new version of the V2s. So let me know what you guys think. Am I crazy for picking these up for the toe, or is it something that you were interested in getting? Did you get the Mono Ice or the Mono Mist where you are? I think I got the best colorway of the three. Feel free to disagree or agree in the comments, but let me know what you think. And I want to thank you very much for watching this really impromptu video. I wasn't even planning on making a video about these, but I guess I wanted to commemorate my first pair of Yeezys, so putting that out there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and keep an eye out. I'm about to drop the video that I've been promising for a while, giving you a little bit of evidence how the sneakers app might work. It doesn't have to do with what has recently been released by Nike and talked about on Sneaker YouTube ad nauseum. I'm not talking about the early access thing. I'm going to be actually talking about the first come, first serve style of draw, or drop, I should say. I've got some evidence that I believe is useful for people that shows that, well, it doesn't work exactly like you may have thought. Thank you again for watching this one, and I will catch you next time.